In this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate a solution to the issue of missed call notifications not appearing on your Android device. This problem can be frustrating, as it may result in missing important calls without your knowledge. To begin, open Phone Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, tap on Advanced Settings and scroll down a bit. Enable App Icon Badges by toggling on the switch. Return to the main Settings page and scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on it. Find and select the phone app. Then tap on Notifications. Tap on the option Allow Sound and Vibration and ensure that every notification type is set to Allow. If any notification type is set to Not Allowed, simply tap on it to change it to Allow.